Hi guys, I just left you and I've installed Linux on Linux Mint Cinnamon 20.2. I've installed XFCE4 and XFCE4 goodies, as well as awesome BSPWM. Did I forget anything? i3. That's it for now. And then I had the idea we definitely need to look at Plasma. So sudo apt install Plasma. What do we get? A bunch of software. Thank God it's not available. Why do I say thank God? I was thinking about my gigabytes. I have 3.3 gigabytes still available on my machine, so that's not too much really. I'm afraid it's going to be a little bit bigger. Shall we try it anyway? 720 megabytes it says. Download it maybe, not maybe extracted it. Let's see. Let's give it a chance. So to be clear, things will be looking not normal in the sense that Plasma will always show the XFCE applications as well. So your list of applications becomes bigger because you have multiple desktops installed. That's normal. Live with it. Right? And if you can't live with it, just install the one desktop. While that's doing its work, let me show how easy it is to jump ship, to jump from Arch Linux or Arch Linux or Manjaro or anywhere else. I found all my tools that I need on this machine, on Linux Mint. I mean, document viewer is here. We have installed Nitrogen, we've installed Plank, Redshift is here, URXVT is here, USB image writer is from Mint, Linux Mint, so our tool on Arch Linux, on Arch Linux is Mint application, so it was there. Variety is here, code is here. What else? We installed GitHub, Melt, Sublime Text, Visual Code, everything I need. There's gaming if we want to. Graphics, Peak is here, Nomex, Inkscape, GNOME, Flameshot, everything I need is just available on Linux Mint. Like I said, I could jump ship anytime now. Brave, Chromium, Discord, Dropbox, Telegram, Firefox, Google Chrome, Google Earth, InSync. And Telegram is here, and Thunderbird, Transmission, it's all available. All I need is VLC and Spotify, so music and video. And for the rest, it's from me Peak from time to time to explain something to people, simple screen recorder to record, and OBS Studio to make it a little bit more complex and stream it to YouTube. Office was already there by default. I've installed QPDF view, and that's it. I'm all set. This operating system is just gonna fulfill all my desires. It's fast, it's quick. We've installed Alacrity as well, it's true. And our configuration of Alacrity is here from Arch Linux, copy paste, right? So everything is just great. And now we're waiting for Plasma to kick in. So the awesome configuration comes from Arch Linux, the i3 configuration comes from Arch Linux, the BSP configuration comes from Arch Linux, Variety, wallpapers come from, yeah, you know it, Wallhaven, of course. So you go for wallpaper selector and we have a look. While it's still installing, we can have a look at a few wallpapers. Whether you like it or not, entirely up to you. I've typed in the word abstract as tag. So these things are all abstract. Well, what he thinks is abstract. This is one I really like. Ah, it's finished. So let's have a look. Let's log out. Log out. Or a strange icon there. We didn't have that prior, so might be a Plasma thing. So Plasma. Okay, Plasma on Linux Mint. Same settings, same things, whatever you learned everywhere else on any other Linux distribution, it applies here as well. Plank is there, thank God. Well, normally people install Latte on Plasma, but hey, it's up to you. You're free to choose whatever you want. My first reflex actually is going to get my other github.com icons for Plasma. So that's one of them, but I have also one for Surf and Plasma Dark. So created one specifically for Plasma. Download zip and then open it here, extract it here, and then we have this one, I guess. Oh yeah. It's created for, yeah, it's created for Arcolinks, Archlinks. Huh? So we've got our icons here, yeah, correct. So Control X, Eric, Control H, dot icons, Control V, Surf and Plasma Dark. Give me Surf and Plasma Dark. Let's start with the beginning. Breeze like this is good. Plasma style, fine. Application style, colors, fonts, icons. I'm clicking too fast. I have to wait. Okay, still responsive, but not really. Okay, he's there, catching up. So, surfing, which surfing was it? Hey, yeah, true. Oh, I made my rookie mistake myself. So this one, it's Plasma. Good. Plasma does look at that folder. It's gonna look at local share, creates folder, icons. It's there already, didn't notice it. Icons, Control V. Now he'll see it, but I don't think it will see it right now. Discard. No. Log out, log in, you know. Boot it back up. Allez, where is it? System settings. Icons. I find it strange that if I thought it was alphabetically. Everything seems to be alphabetically, and elementary XFC is down there. How strange is that? Apply. And the Plasma style. I hate the Plasma style when it's white. And that's not changed because I did not apply it. Here, that's the look I want to have, but not that menu. I want the other L menu, the menu like this. And this is what I would like to have as system. Voila. With this already I'm happy. Is F12 present? F12 is not present. Control T. Ooh, Control T is not present. Okay. Do we have yakuake? No. Something terminal like XFC terminal. Sudo apt yakuake. I would miss my yakuake install. What else? And then we launch it. That's not working. So my Super Shift D is a D menu, and that's not working here. It was working on awesome BSPWM. i3 would work on Spectre WM, Qtile, Xmonad, other tiling window managers we have at Arcolinks. Beautiful wallpaper. What was I going to do? I need to type it. I need to type yakuake. And then he says, I'm gonna link you to F12. Is that good for you? All right, baby. I've got myself a F12. That's nice, right? Let's have a look if I can make this bigger. Yes, I can. Wow. Like this. I press Ctrl Alt to the left and then scrolling my mouse. So a little bit bigger. Clear, new fetch. Perfect. And then we can install from time to time stuff that we need. F12 is there for us. This is an ugly icon there. It should be white and not log out. Nothing's happening. Doesn't like to log out, it seems. Any other way to log out? Super exit is our place in our system. I hear a phone coming. In the meantime, I've logged out and this beautiful wallpaper greets me. I need to have this wallpaper. This is just awesome look. Anyway, I'm logging back in. There was this icon trouble thing. What was it? Don't know anymore. In the meantime, a friend called. Come on, log me in, baby. I guess I'm pushing it to the limit. I wonder how many megabyte, not gigabyte, I still have free on my system, because we were just dumping it with all kinds of yeah, it's this little icon I hate to look at. So is konsole installed? Konsole is not installed. That's the normal konsole. You need to have that. And then Control T. No, not working. So konsole is a nice, it's the standard terminal from Plasma. Hey, it's not wobbly. But the wobbly thing, it's not gonna work because that's inside Windows Space, Behavior, Desktop Effects, and there are things that are just not working on VirtualBox, and if you click on those, you'll see it. So wobbly, fat chance. Oh, I can activate it. Apply. So we wobble away in VirtualBox. Awesome. So we've got that back. And basically, guys, if it's Plasma on Chaos, or it's Plasma on SUSE, or anything like, it's still Plasma. It still has the same settings. It still has the same possibilities, and you learn from any video out there on YouTube how it all works. And you got yourself a free operating system you like and love and maintain. And this doesn't fit very well, but we have 80 more of those choices. Maybe this one, macOS Grey, a lot more to go over. And have this one as look. Signing off. Enjoy your ta-da-da. No, not ta-da-da. F12. No, not F12. I just wanted to sign off, of course, with this. Yes, konsole helped me. Ta-da-da-da. Enjoy Linux Mint.